So here's a TCL Smart TV, and I'm trying to connect my earbuds here via Bluetooth. These are the Shocks OpenFit 2 Plus. It's in pairing mode, but when I go over here, it just searches forever. Doesn't matter if I keep rescanning it and do it over. So in order to fix this, you simply do is while the TV is on, go ahead and unplug the TV directly from the wall outlet. Count to 30 seconds, okay? After 30 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in, then turn the TV back on. And now I'm going to try to repair these again now. So let me go to the home page here, then I'm going to navigate to the settings icon. I'm going to go all the way to the gear icon, all the way to the top right. So let me move on over. Okay, settings. And then from here down to remotes and accessories right there. Let's select OK on that. And then we're going to go to add accessory. And then we're going to click on OK here because it's in pairing mode. It's discoverable. And what do you know? After you unplug it, now it finds it right away. Oops, it disappeared. Let's wait again. It just went off of pairing mode, okay? Let me put these back into pairing mode. I'm going to press and hold this button until the light here blinks green, orange, green, orange. Green, orange, green, orange. Now, okay, now see, now it finds it. Now I can go ahead and tap in it. We should get a pairing request here. Yep, pair. And voila, it said paired. And you can see that we're connected right there. So there you go.